Thank you for the date. I had so much fun. Oh, and thank you for the nightlight too. It will totally keep me company when my parents are out of town. David, you're not gonna believe this, but my weird neighbor is just standing in the middle of the street.
Weird? Wasn't that kind of rain when I dropped you off?
Yeah, it is. He's just looking up at the sky right now. Oh shit! What the hell? What the hell? David! Where did he go? Please don't be him. What do you want?
Can I come in? It's raining.
But my dad isn't home.
Come on. I won't bite. I know you see me out here in the street.
I told you I didn't say anything.
If you don't open up, I'll come.